Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to talk about how Tesla sold almost all of their Bitcoin. If you go back about a year from today, Tesla and more importantly Elon Musk, the CEO and the richest person in the world, was a big supporter of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. And they even said that they were going to hold it for the long term, and Elon Musk even tweeted out diamond hands. So you can tell they were pretty serious about keeping it. However, over the past few months, they must have changed their mind. So at some point in the previous quarter of the year, Tesla sold about 75% of their Bitcoin for about $900 million. And we don't know exactly how much, but we do know they lost some money. So you might think that that much Bitcoin being sold, and especially Elon Musk, would really hurt Bitcoin. And while it did go down about 2%, which is really not that big of a deal in the Bitcoin world. I mean, it seems like a big deal, and Bitcoin is dropping 10% in a day, so dropping 2%, really not that big of a deal. And it went right back up later that day. Partially because Elon Musk even said that he thinks that Tesla and he himself will buy more Bitcoin in the future. So why did they sell their crypto? And I think it's kind of a mixture of three things. The first one is what they're saying it is, so I think there's a bit of truth to it, and that is that they want more cash. So they just wanted the money in cash, so it was a stable asset, so they could spend it if they want to. And while this does have some truth to it, I am sure, at the end of the first quarter, Tesla had $17.5 billion of cash, or things that are just like cash. So I don't know if they really needed to get the cash out of Bitcoin. It seems like that's more of an excuse to me. Because what could they possibly do in where they need more than $17 billion of cash? A second potential thing is they've seen how up and down cryptocurrency can be, as it's gone way up and now way down since they bought it over a year ago, and they just want it out. Or they see it as going on a downward trend and they're just kind of done with it. And of course, they're not saying that they're done with it because they still hold some cryptocurrency, and Elon Musk himself also holds a lot. So they're not saying that they just don't like crypto because they think that would tank the market, but really deep down, they want to get out. And another possible reason I have is that Tesla's stock has really fallen apart this year. At one point, it had fallen over 40%, and it is still really down, although it has recovered some within the past week. So it is possible that since the stock is down so much, they just want to stabilize everything, and they're worried that if Bitcoin collapses, then their Tesla stock would go even further down. But I personally see it as a fairly good thing for Bitcoin that it was able to handle Tesla selling a lot of it and Elon Musk kind of talking against it a little bit without it falling apart. It feels like a few years ago, if Elon Musk had tweeted something negative about Bitcoin, then it would have fallen apart. So it's good that it stayed relatively stable. And if you don't know the history, Elon Musk and cryptocurrency have a big history of kind of going back and forth, I guess. And mainly it is Elon Musk saying, hey, buy this coin, and then billions of dollars just instantly flow into it and the value goes way up. And one example of this is with the Dogecoin from, I don't know, about a year ago. And that went from practically worthless, and it made a lot of people rich for a few days, and then they lost it. And it also cost a lot of people a lot of money. And while Elon has helped crypto at some point, he also said fairly recently in an interview with Bloomberg that he has never said that people should invest in crypto, and he just kind of supported it because other people wanted him to. So that's not exactly great news. But what I personally think is with Elon Musk and crypto is he sees it as an unregulated way that he can make some serious money. So essentially, he'll buy Bitcoin or he'll buy Doge or whatever, and then he'll tweet out for a week or so, say, hey, this is what you should buy. I'm buying it. I'm keeping it forever. The price will go up, and then he'll sell it. And I think we could even see this with what happened with Tesla. When Tesla initially bought Bitcoin, it shot way up. And then, what do you know? They instantly sold about 10% of their holdings and made over $100 million just like that. And if this was a stock, then there would be regulation saying, hey, you can't do that. But since it is considered a currency and it's kind of in this weird zone where there's no rules really, then they were able to manipulate it and make some serious money off of it. So in a review, over the past quarter, Tesla sold 75% of their Bitcoin that they had remaining, and they sold it for about $936 million. And in result of this, Bitcoin very slightly went down. However, it remained relatively stable, only falling about 1 or 2%, and it had regained most of that within the next day. And there are several theories to why they're doing it. Elon Musk and Tesla said they sold it just because they needed the cash for something. However, Tesla on their balance sheet has over $17 billion of cash and cash equivalents, so I don't know what they would need the extra $1 billion for, unless maybe they wanted to buy like 5 NFL teams or something like that. The second potential one is they saw how much Bitcoin has fallen, and they just wanted to get out, but they didn't want to completely tank the crypto market, so they got out, and then they said, hey, it's not you, it's me. And then the third option is it could be because the Tesla stock has done so bad over the previous 6 months, and they just wanted to kind of stabilize things. But even after they sold it and some of this bad press, Bitcoin has remained stable for where it is, and it does not appear as if Bitcoin will be falling apart. And you never know, maybe Bitcoin will even go up. But now it's time for everybody's favorite part of the video, the joke of the day. Joke of the day, boop, boop. Joke of the day. Joke of the day, boop, 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 boop. Joke of the day, doo. How do you eat a Bitcoin with a megabyte? So thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe for more videos. Leave a like if you like the video, and leave a comment below if you have any comments on the videos or any ideas for future videos. Bye.